Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel TkinterTech Projects. So in this video I will show you the littering detection system using Python. So let's run the Python file. User have to provide the input video and model will recognize and detect that final output, and it will open the video file. So it will detect the car and the tracker ID 1, and it will detect the license plate. Like no trash throwing detection. Whenever any person throwing the trash from that particular car, then it will detect the trash and will send the alert SMS on that particular email ID or a mobile number. In this project, the model first it will detect the car and the license plate, and then it will recognize the trash and detect that particular trash and give the ID. Right now the person throwing that trash and it will detect that particular trash. So it is detecting the trash with the tracker ID. Like whenever car moving forward, then it will detect the trash and send the alert email or SMS on that particular registered mobile number. This project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter module used to develop the user interface. So in that project, whenever person throwing any trash from that particular moving object or vehicle, then it will recognize that particular trash and give the warning. So this is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.